Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. This is the new and latest smartphone of Samsung. So now quickly open it up, and if we open it, here we get the small box of Samsung, and here we get the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, so here we get the USB Type-C to Type-C cable and some reading manuals. Okay, keep this aside. And guys, here's the font itself. You can see here's the font itself. It is in awesome violet color, the awesome lime, awesome silver, and awesome graphite color is also available. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So now quickly remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the font itself in my hand. If we talk about the design, it has framed with simple lines and plastic finish. You can see. If we talk about the back, it's made by plastic, but it's, you can see, high quality plastic is used. It has glass-stick finish. It has gradient design, simple and a sleek design. You can see it has matte finish. You can see, and if we talk about its weight, it is 199 gram, and the thickness of the smartphone is 8.2 mm. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the SIM tray and noise cancellation microphone. So now quickly check the SIM tray. So here we get the hybrid SIM slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. And here we get the volume up and down key with power on off key. And on bottom here we get the two microphone, you can see, with USB Type-C port and main speaker grill. And here we get the triple camera setup with LED flash, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel with optical image stabilization main camera, and 5 megapixel macro camera over there with LED flash here. And on front it has 13 megapixel front camera with 6.6 inches full HD plus super AMOLED display with 120 Hz high refresh rate display. So okay, now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device and phone is starting, and this is the main screen of Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. Guys, it has 120 Hz high refresh rate display with 6.6 inches full HD plus super AMOLED display. So now quickly check its performance. As you can see, the performance is really fast and responsive. You can see. Yep, no doubt. It is fast. It is really fast. Okay, and after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. After it, if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. If we talk about the in-display fingerprint, here animation pops out, output finger, and it quickly unlock the phone. Here animation pops out at put finger and it quickly unlock the phone. Yep guys, it is fast and responsive, and if we talk about its face unlock, I look and it unlock the phone. I'm not seeing, I look, do it again, I look and it quickly unlock the phone. As you can see, I'm not seeing, I look and it quickly unlock the phone. As you can see, yep guys, both in-display fingerprint and face unlock both are fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.